Ready to unleash your WhatsApp messages from the Twilio Sandbox and connect with your audience for real? First, log into your Twilio account. If you don't have one, sign out. Then navigate to the Programmable Messaging section. Find WhatsApp under the Channel section, where you will see your Twilio Sandbox number. Then, request to enable your own Twilio number for WhatsApp by submitting the required information. This form will ask for details about your business, your use case, and confirmation that you comply with WhatsApp's commerce and business policies, so make sure you have all the relevant information ready. Now, comes the waiting game while WhatsApp and Twilio review your request. This might take a few days. Once approved, your Twilio number will be enabled for WhatsApp, ready to send messages without the Sandbox limitations. Remember to update your KevinHowTo and Twilio configurations, replacing your old Sandbox number with your new, enabled Twilio number, and then test the setup to ensure everything is working smoothly.